very kindly staged by the Delhi Golf Club. So it's a real pleasure to be back here. And in keeping with COVID safety norms, we avoided crowding, and therefore we purposely designed the tournament so that there is not a very big gathering at the prize presentation ceremony. So I hope you understand that. A lot of the winners also will not be present, but we are recording. There is a live link on Zoom which has been shared with all the players, and they can join in right now. I think we are exactly on time. Also, we will have a recording, so anybody who misses the live link can watch the recording, and they will all the winners will be informed, and they can pick up their prizes from the Indian Cancer Society office in South Extension anytime after tomorrow. So, having said that, we'd like to thank all the people who made this tournament possible. Of course, the Delhi Golf Club for being the host again for the 11th consecutive year. And a big thank you this year to LG Electronics for their support, LG OLED TVs, the LG Home Entertainment Division. And without their support, the tournament would not have been the same. They've been extremely generous. And of course, we've had our supporters every year, SRF, who've been a big supporter every year for this tournament, as well as DCB Bank, Thrive, and Indian Terrain, which is a very well-known apparel brand, and all the supporting organizations who've also pitched in to make the tournament a success. So with that, we'll start announcing the winners, and to give away the prizes in the different handicap categories, I'd like to invite Renuka Prasad, the Honorary Secretary of Cancer Society, to give away the first set of prizes. She will be back here again later in the presentation. So I don't need to tell a lot of you here, but Renuka, of course, has been the driving force of this tournament along with her whole team, and it's been a pleasure to be associated with the Indian Cancer Society. So we'll start with the three runners-up. We had three different handicap categories of players according to their different abilities. The 0 to 14 handicap, 15 to 18 handicap, and 19 to 24 handicaps. And in the 0 to 14 handicap, the runner-up with a score of 34 points was Manish Sabharwal. So are we getting this all on the camera? That's the camera? Okay. So Manish Sabharwal, yeah, so that's just the, yeah. So Manish, that is your prize. There is a gift voucher from, and a nice gift set as well. You can take it back, yeah. In fact, the same set we'll be giving to everybody. So you can just keep that, yeah. So we'll just announce it. The second category of handicap 15 to 18 with 39 points is Puneet Sehgal. So Puneet Sehgal, that's again the trophy. Puneet, that's if when you watch this, Puneet, that's your trophy, that's your gift voucher. So you can collect it from the Cancer Society office. And again, you can present the same trophy, because in the 19 to 24 handicap category, it's Commander P.K. Goel, who's also he's part of the board. He's part of the managing committee of the Cancer Society, Commander P.K. Goel. And he's very active in bringing a number of participants to make their donation. Right. Okay, that's okay. We've got the, right. So this is Commander P.K. Goel, who was the winner.
So it's really nice that there are such lovely prizes with a gift voucher for the runners-up. So I really wonder, what is it that the actual winner is going to get? That's fine. And I'm happy to see that there are some youngsters, and there's also a person who's on our managing board, Commodore P.K. Goel, who is a driving force in the drive against cancer, and he every year brings in not only his own 4-ball, but a couple of 4 balls contributing towards the kitty of the ICS. So thank you, Commodore Goel, for that.
Thank you very much, Renuka. So Renuka, thank you so much. And we'd like to now invite Mr. Gary Kim, Director LG Home Entertainment. So Mr. Gary Kim was very kind to spare his time to come out to the Delhi Golf Club. Sir, would you like to say a few words? No? Okay, alright. So we'll start out with the LG closest to pin prize on hole number 5, the overall winner. And with a shot to 4 feet, the winner was Sudhir Bhatia. So Sudhir Bhatia wins this LG tone-free headset. So, and that's the nice gift. So Sudhir Bhatia, who hit it to 4 feet from the pin on hole number 5 for the LG closest to pin contest. Mr. Sudhir Bhatia, congratulations to you. And Mr. Kim, now we have to get you to give announce some more prizes. So these are the winners, because we had the handicap categories and we've already announced the runners-up. Now we have the winners in the 3 categories. And in the 0 to 14 category, the winner was Deepak Sisodia with a score of 39 points. This is Mr. Deepak Sisodia's prize, 39 points, and the winner in the 0 to 14 category is Deepak Sisodia. Oh, he's here. Oh, he's here. Oh, please, please. Please come. We didn't realize you were here. Okay, excellent. It's nice to have a winner. Come. Come, sir.
Just come back here a bit, nearer the board. Here's another little gift set for you.
So he wins a gift voucher from Indian Terrain and another gift voucher from Pride, as well as a towel set from Sara. Sara Group, another one of our. Deepak, thank you for being here for the prize presentation. We have another winner here. That's in the 15 to 18 category. And the winner with 40 points is Rajan Sood. He is also present. Rajan Sood. So gift vouchers from Indian Terrain and from our co-sponsor Thrive, as well as Sara, a gift set from Sara Group. Congratulations, Mr. Rajan Sood, that was the winner in the 15 to 18 handicap category, and with 40 points. And in the 19 to 24 category, the winner with 36 points was Dr. Hari Om Gupta. So we had a number of doctors participating today, 12 or 13 doctors, and this was Dr. Hari Om Gupta, who was with 36 points. So Dr. Gupta, congratulations. You can pick up your prizes from the South Extension Office of Indian Cancer Society. So you, please stay back. We'd like to present one prize by, we request Indra Jasuja, Honorary Joint Secretary of Indian Cancer Society, to please come up and give away this, well, we'll announce the prize. I don't think the winner is present. So the winner of the Straightest Drive prize on hole number 14, the Indian Terrain Straightest Drive, it's a lovely trophy from Indian Terrain. The winner is Abhishek Mishra. So Abhishek Mishra hit it to just 2 feet 6 inches from the hole. It was a 160-yard shot, and he hit it only 2 feet from the hole. So he wins this beautiful trophy, and he can collect it from the Indian Cancer Society office. Thank you very much, Mrs. D'Souza, Honorary Joint Secretary of the Cancer Society. Thank you. So can we have now, we have the winners' prizes to be presented. And actually we wanted, Indra ma'am, sorry, I should have asked you to just stay back. We'd like you to be here to present these 2 prizes. So this is the best net score out of all the players. So this is even better than the handicap category winners. And the winner with a score of 41 points was Dr. Shemat Hussain. So I mentioned there were lots of doctors playing. Dr. Shemat Hussain, he wins this beautiful trophy as well as the gift vouchers from Indian Terrain and from Thrive and a gift from Callaway and of course this trophy. So we like that's a big prize, Dr. Shemat Hussain. You can collect all this from yeah. Thank you very much. Mr. Jasuja, Honorary Joint Secretary of Indian Cancer Society. And now for the really big prize, we have the best score of the tournament. He played a score of just 5 over the card gross. So playing off a 6 handicap with a score of 5 over the card gross, that was the best score of the entire tournament. The winner is Harsh Gupta. And we have a very exciting announcement. Besides all the gift vouchers, etc., we have a 55-inch LG OLED TV. 55-inch OLED TV. Harsh, congratulations! You had the best round of the tournament, and you win not only the big trophy, all the vouchers, but you will be getting a 55-inch LG OLED TV. And I want to tell you, this is a very, very premium TV. I understand it's priced at about 2 or 2.5 lakhs of rupees for this particular prize. So thank you very much. And then to Gary Kim giving away the prize. No, there's one more thing, sir. Most important. And to have this ceremony, we'd like to call back Renuka Prasad, the Honorary Secretary. We have a special, you are aware of it, we have a special gift from LG to the Indian Cancer Society, a major donation that they are making to the Indian Cancer Society today, and it's a huge, a great gesture by LG, and we're very, very pleased to announce this. Abhiral, we'd like to have a couple of the senior executives from LG. Please come up. Would you like to say a little bit about this prize that we just gave away?
Good evening all. I think all enjoyed this game of great game of golf today in this restricted condition. It was so beautifully, carefully, with all protocol followed, made by Mr. Rishi, who is the master in this game. And we are excited to be the part of this event. This is, I think, the 4th event this year with you. All right? And today it is more special. If you compare all those 3, this is more special to us, more near to our heart, because we are a part of some noble cause done by the Renuka Madam and team, and for the people who really need. It's not a big amount maybe, but all our hearts are with this announcement. And speaking just two words about the TV with the winner got. This TV is totally different, rare as a golf player or a golf lover. It's unique and rare. The technology is totally different. Normal TV comes with a backlit. There is a light source. With this TV there is no light source. Solar self-lit pixels. It's a real thing you can watch on TV, not artificial. Right? With all features, all care about eyes. This one is the flicker-free TV. If you will watch this TV for maybe an entire golf event of 5 to 6 hours, you will not get any stain or no red eye, because this is with blue light protection and no flicker. Totally taken care of this. And the way we are restricted for our movement and entertainment, there is a concept, cinematic experience at home. This TV is all about that. When you go to watch a movie in a Dolby Vision, Dolby Atmos theater, the same feel you can bring to home with this kind of TV, because this has got all these features of Dolby Atmos and Dolby Vision. And today this for this festival, we have got 5 years assurance. That means you can have trouble-free entertainment for 1,826 days. That is 5 years. And every day you can win one OLED, the same model through lucky draw. Right? This is all about LG's festival efforts, but I'm really thankful to Mr. Rishi and Redhavaman and our entire team for making us a small portion or part of this great event. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. It's quite a special product that you have here. We could see it the whole day, and it's actually amazing, the quality of the picture in the TV, something quite exceptional. So that brings us to, of course, the culmination of the event, and it's a great finale because we are so pleased to announce a donation by LG of 25 lakhs to the Indian Cancer Society. This is a symbolic giant check, and it's a great occasion, and thank you again to LG Electronics India and to the CSR department and the entire team at LG for making this donation to the Cancer Society. It's at a time when I think people really have felt the need to take care of people, those who are ill and those who need care, and the Cancer Society has really gone out of their way to make their services available to all the people who need it. So very well deserved, and thank you again.
Well, I think this is really the time, but I think I'll take my mask off for a little bit because I don't know whether I'm talking or not. Yeah. So I'm really, really grateful to you, Mr. Gary, for having given us this check, which is really needed for us in our activities that we do regarding awareness, screening, advocacy, patient support, and all our other activities that are there. And I must say, this TV has really been a wonderful one. And the marketing man that he is really marketed it very well. And I'm sure many of you are going to go into the market looking for this OLED LG television. So this contribution of yours is going to be, it may be small, but there's nothing small that it can help the people who need it. And we would like you to come in and see our detection center one of these days where our screening vans are also available and see firsthand about the kind of work that we do. And of course, once we go into the community to conduct our awareness talks, we'd love your reps to be there to see how we are doing it. Because we feel maybe if you come into the community, we could also get that wonderful projector of yours, which can be used, for educative films for the masses who need to be made aware of the fact that they need to come for screening and not just come there, drink the tea and have the snacks and disappear back home. They need to get themselves screened. So thank you so much. Thank you, Rishi, for having organized this event for us. It's been wonderful, and I think you're going to be doing all our events in the future also. So thank you everyone. Thanks my whole team for being here today. Thank you, Rishi, and your complete team for the support. And how can I forget the Delhi Golf Club? This has gone out of its way to help us organize this event at no cost whatsoever to us. And of course, the catering department that was supplying food right from start onwards till the end. There was a shortage of nothing at all. Whatever anyone wanted was given to them without any problem. So thank you everyone who's been here today and has made this event into a real success. Thank you, Charu. Thanks, Rishi, once again. Thank you, everybody, for all your support, which we hope will continue in the years ahead. So thank you.
Thanks again the entire ICS team and the entire my team at RNSM, Caroline, Charu, Niharika, Shreya, and the entire team that has been working also behind the scenes. It takes a lot of effort, big effort by the Cancer Society, and of course the club members, the club staff, and the club members for giving us the use of their course for the whole day. So that's a big thing. Thank you very much, and a big round of applause for Mr. Gary Kim, Director LG Home Entertainment, and the team at LG. Thank you. Thank you all very much, and we'll be back again next year. And we hope LG may also be back again next year. Thank you.